Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Fitness for Transformation. My name is Juan, and today I will be guiding you through a new How To Thursdays video featuring single-legged Romanian deadlifts. This is going to be a fun one. Help you improve your balance. Let's go ahead and start. First up, we'll start with the right leg. What we want to do is find a nice slight bend at the knee. Pick up your left foot, find your balance. What we're doing here is hinging forward, bringing that left leg back, and those front arms forward. We want to create a nice straight line between our heel to our head, using our arms here for counterbalance. Tap the ground and come back up. Again, lift that left leg, send it back, tap the ground, come back up. Once you found your balance, you can speed it up. If you want to improve on finding your balance and working on that balance, just hold that. Hold that deadlift. Work on that hamstring. Work on that glute engagement at the top. And if you lose your balance, it's okay. Find your center balance again and join us. Keep repeating this. Keep focusing on your balance. Engage your core, as that will definitely help your core, your balance, and your center of gravity as a whole. Let's go ahead and switch over to the left leg just to see what that feels like. Again, slight bend at the knee, pick that right foot up, send it back. Yeah, here we go. Find that balance. Pick it back up. Return to your starting position, and try it again. Slow. Make a nice connection with your mind to the muscles that are being engaged in this move. And before you know it, your balance will have improved. The strength in your legs will have improved. And your agility as a whole will improve. Making your fitness journey a lot more pleasurable. That is how you perform single-legged Romanian deadlifts. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, and you learned a little something, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I post instructional fitness routines every Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Have a great day.